Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find Coinbase address full guide. Open your Coinbase app or website and sign in securely. Then tap Accounts or Portfolio to see your wallets. Select a wallet and choose Receive to view the address and QR code. Copy the address carefully and verify the first and last characters before sharing. If you need a different network, pick the matching blockchain to avoid lost funds. I'll walk through mobile, desktop, and wallet details to make finding an address easy and safe. On mobile, tap Accounts, choose a currency, then Receive to reveal an address and QR code. On desktop, open Portfolio or Holdings, select the asset and click Receive. For hardware wallets, use the device to confirm addresses. If you ever see unfamiliar addresses, stop and ask support before sending. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep tidy and easy, fitting into backpacks and keeping sauces sealed. They save time and prevent spills between trips to exchanges and coding sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set for practical convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Safety checks prevent costly mistakes when sending crypto. Always compare the pasted address to the QR and the first and last characters to confirm. Use copy and paste, avoid typing addresses manually, and enable two-factor authentication for your account. Be cautious with messages or links requesting your private keys or seed phrase, and keep backups offline in a secure location. Regularly update the app and check official support pages for any network announcements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.